Inherited an ARL file from old AOL software? This format stored personal organization data in classic AOL applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access AOL Organizer files. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming. And it features my favorite single ARL file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. And .ARL file contains personal data saved by the AOL America Online client, such as contacts, calendar events, or to-do lists. Users encountering this file are typically trying to recover or migrate old personal information from a legacy AOL installation, seeking ways to extract the data into a modern format. This is a proprietary binary data file structured to store various types of Personal Information Manager (PIM) data. The format was designed for efficient local storage and quick retrieval by the AOL Desktop software, organizing user-specific records in a compact, non-human-readable database structure. The primary software for ARL is recognized as AOL Desktop, developed by AOL. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows gives limited insight, so interpreting the contents requires the originating tool. Initiate the compatibility test by right-clicking your ARL file and selecting Open With. If AOL Desktop is on your PC, test it. If not, select another program from the list and see if it works. If your ARL file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Since the initial fixes failed, we need to treat this as a deep technical challenge. Execute these key tests on common failure points to find where the problem begins. First, opening in Classic AOL. Install Classic AOL client software from archived sources, if available, since current AOL services use web-based interfaces. Older Windows systems may be required for compatibility with discontinued AOL software. Open ARL files within the AOL client to access organizer data for review or migration. Next, migrating to modern tools. Export ARL data to CSV or vCard formats using Classic AOL Organizer's export function if available. Import the resulting files into modern personal information managers like Microsoft Outlook, Google Calendar, or Apple Contacts. This migration preserves valuable personal data when leaving the AOL ecosystem. Finally, extracting via Hex Inspection. For ARL files without working, AOL software use hex editors to identify text content within the binary structure. Extract readable contact details and calendar entries manually. While crude, this approach recovers core information from otherwise inaccessible legacy AOL data files when no software supports them. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.